Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to connect your Hamster Kombat account to Wallet. Okay, watch this video tutorial very carefully and connect your own step by step. Okay, but before we proceed guys, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. What I do on this channel is all about business. If you're an online hustler and you have interest in making money online, but you don't know how you can be getting those updates that can pay you for it, then worry no more, because Sparking Media got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss any of my updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and turn on the notification bell so that to be among the first people to be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online like this. Okay, now first step you're going to do guys, that you need to go to Play Store or Apple Store and install Tonkeeper. Okay, so let's go to my Play Store. Let me show you guys. You search for Tonkeeper. Okay, you can see it here guys. I have installed it. I have installed my own. Now after the installation, you open it. Okay, now when you open it, let's say you don't have Tonkeeper wallet account before, you are going to sign up, and while you are signing up, you'll be given a phrase or a recovery code. That's phrase. They are going to give you that recovery code or recovery phrase. So you are going to copy them and save it somewhere. Keep it somewhere safe, because it is that phrase you'll be using to access your account. Let's say you change your device, or you buy a new phone, or God forbid you lost your phone and you want to access your Tonkeeper account. It is that recovery phrase you are going to use and log in, just like the way Trust Wallet is. So that is how this one is. Okay, now as you can see that I already have my own account. I have created my own account, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open my Telegram app now, and then connect my own account. Okay, now go to Telegram. After the installation and registration, go to Telegram, then open your Hamster Kombat account. So when you open your Hamster Kombat account, wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, you can see this place here. You see this place here, exchange, mine, friends, in, and airdrop. Click on airdrop. Do you see it now? All right guys, you can see it here. The long awaited journey has finally come to reality. As you can see now, listing is on his way. Task will disappear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop, which means the wallet you are connecting is where you will receive your token. Do you understand? All the tokens you have accumulated, that is where they will be sent to. They are going to send it there. Now all you need to do is to click on connect your wallet. When you click on connect your wallet, you can see it here. Connect your wallet, connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one in your Telegram account, which means you can still use Telegram own. But me, I prefer using the Tonkeeper wallet app. Okay, so click on connect wallet. Now you can see that I have installed the Tonkeeper. You can see it here. So once you sign up, you will be seeing it here. You'll be seeing the option here, and you can also see open wallet in Telegram. If you like, it's still the same procedure you are going to use. If you want to use Telegram wallet, Telegram wallet, you can still use it. But if you don't want to use it, you can use the Tonkeeper. Okay, so I will go ahead and select Tonkeeper. I have installed the app. Now it will direct me to the app. So it will automatically direct me to the app. Okay, now we wait for it to open. It's still loading. Now you can see it here. Now it's done loading. You can see it here. Connect Tom to Hamster. You can see it here. You can see this here. You can see it. You can see connect to hamsterkombat.io. You can see it. Hamster Kombat is requesting access to your wallet address. So all you need to do now, for me to give it access now, you can see this place here now. I will now click on connect. Very simple steps. Click on connect. Then once you click on connect, it will ask you to enter your passcode, or you can use your fingerprint. That's if your phone have, you can use it to then unlock it. It will automatically connect. Okay, so guys, you can see that it's successfully connected now. So once you have accepted the connection on your Tonkeeper wallet app, you can see it here. So that is it. You can see my address here. I can even copy it now. So that is it guys. That is how you connect your Hamster Kombat account to Tonkeeper. or to your Ton wallet. Okay.